Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani. Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn to read and write Hindi. We are also here because we want to learn to read and write Urdu. We are doing both at the same time. Today is our lesson number 91. Let's begin. We'll continue from where we left off yesterday, to line number 4, or rather line number 6. It says apne ही bus can be written as like this, but the way I wrote it, or you can write it with two loops and then another one, the same thing, they both read bus. Instead of making two loops, you make a one big loop. अपने ही बस में नहीं, नहीं means not. अपने ही बस में नहीं, and this nun gunna gives us this start here, nahi, because it's not nahi, it's nahi. अपने ही बस में नहीं में. Again we see the same nun gunna. It's not a me, it's me. अपने ही बस में नहीं में. I am not in control of myself. अपने ही बस में नहीं में. I am not in control of myself. Let's do the next line. दिल है कहीं दिल है with a बड़ी एक की मात्रा कहीं का दिल है कहीं. So my heart is somewhere, my heart is in one place. तो हूँ, this is a बड़ी की मात्रा with a nun gunna. Just make sure I wrote it correctly. दिल है कहीं तो हूँ. That's right. हूँ कहीं में. Same word, कहीं. कहीं. कहीं में. दिल है कहीं तो हूँ कहीं में. My heart is in one place, my heart is somewhere else, and my soul, my body is somewhere else. I don't know where I am. I am torn, I am undecided, I am vacillating, I have left everything behind. As we talked about it yesterday, she's starting a new life, fresh, anew. She has broken up all her relationship, tode sab bandhan, and bande payal. She is instead of having shackles around her ankles, she has chosen to put on payals, anklets. She's free. She's free as a bird. Her heart is in flight. Dil mein udan, dil udan mein. We read yesterday. So the next two lines were apne hi bas mein nahi. I am not in control of myself. Dil hai kahin to hoon kahin mein. My heart is somewhere else. My physical body is somewhere else. Only God knows what's going on with me. I'm in a state of confusion because I'm starting new. This is something brand new for me. Up until yesterday, I was tied, I was shackled, I was in the bushes of thorn, which is why she pulls her aanchal from the kante. Kanton se khech ke ye aanchal. Kanton se khech ke ye aanchal, the very first line. Let's do the next one. जाने 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 क्या 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 पाके. This word, I do not know exactly what it means. I think it means to achieve something, to have something. I'm not sure about it. जाने क्या पाके मेरी जिंदगी ने हंसकर कहा. I suppose that's what it means. I do not know what I have at this stage in my life, but that's what my life tells me. मेरी जिंदगी ने हंस के कहा. मेरी जिंदगी. Z. We don't need a Z, we need a Z. Then a N, zin, the, and then gi. Zin, the, gi. जाने क्या पाके मेरी जिंदगी ने हंस. That symbol there, it gives us a nun gun now, which is going to look like this. H. And then na, we're going to appear here as a nasalized na. Hans. जाने क्या पाके मेरी जिंदगी ने हंस कर कहा. हंस कर कहा. कहा. I do not know what I have yet in what I have achieved so far, what I have done so far, but my life is smiling at me. मेरी जिंदगी ने हंसकर कहा. My life smiles at me and tells me something good is about to happen. You're free. You're free as a bird. You are no longer shackled. You're no longer in prison in that horrible condition that you were before, where you were maltreated. You're free as a bird. My life is smiling at me. मेरी जिंदगी ने हंसकर कहा. हंसना means to smile. Well, technically it means to laugh, but here is smile. Hasna, smile, strictly speaking, would be muskurana. Muskurana, but they don't use the word muskurana here. Let's do the next line. The next two lines, I wondered how many people actually understand it and get it when they're listening to the song. This is how it goes. Number 9. मैं हूँ, again with बड़ी U की मात्रा, हूँ, मैं हूँ, and here is the word that most people do not understand. The word is gu. This is a g. We don't need a g, we need a U की मात्रा. We need to put a dot underneath it, because this g does not exist in Hindi. The g that exists in Hindi is this ga. This is this ga. This is exact equivalent. This letter is exact equivalent of your g. This g does not exist. Gain does not exist. That's what we need here in order for the spelling to be correct. The word is gu, gu, ba, ra, gubara. Gubara is a balloon. I hope I spelled balloon correctly. If I misspell it, then so be it. Gubara. Except in the song, she does not say gubara, just like in many, many songs when you hear the word afsana, they don't say afsana, they say afsan. Afsan, something like that. But it's gubar. What they mean is gubara. But in the song it says gubar. Let's put it together. मैं हूँ गुब्बार. मैं हूँ गुब्बार. Am I a balloon? Am I a balloon? Or, before I explain that line, am I a balloon? She's asking herself, what am I? Am I a balloon? Or, या or am I a tofan? It should be tufan. Tufan with बड़ी U की मात्रा. And the word, they don't say tufan, they say tufan. Hence the nun gunna. Tufan. Tufan means storm, hurricane, cyclone, whatever you want to call it. Tufan. मैं हूँ गुब्बार या तूफान हूँ? What am I? Am I a balloon or am I the storm? Because a balloon, where the balloon ends up, the trajectory, the path of the balloon is not under the control of the balloon. Balloon goes wherever the wind blows. And what determines where the balloon ends, or where ends up, where the balloon goes, is the tofan, is the storm. The storm is in charge. The storm is in the driver's seat. The storm determines where she will end up, where the balloon ends up. So she's asking herself, she's again making a juxtaposition. Am I in control of my life, or are the circumstances of my life dictating where I end up? The circumstances of her life is what she calls the tofan. Her own existence is what she calls the gubar. She equates to gubar. Am I the gubar? Am I like a gubara? Or am I like a tofan? Which one am I? Am I determining my own path, or are my circumstances determining where I'm going? मैं हूँ गुबार या तूफान हूँ? She's asking herself. She does not know yet what she has done. She does not know where she is going. मैं हूँ गुबार या तूफान हूँ? Let's do the next line. कोई बताए मैं कहाँ हूँ? कोई बड़ी कोई बताए ए ए कोई बताए मैं कहाँ हूँ? कहाँ? We don't need कहाँ, we need कहाँ. कोई बताए मैं कहाँ हूँ? Somebody please tell me, where am I going? Where am I heading? What is happening to me? What's going on in my life? I've broken all the previous relationship, I have broken all the previous connection, all the previous ties. I have left everything behind, and now I'm free. I'm free as a bird. Where am I going? Am I the one who is in charge of my own destiny, or are the circumstances going to dictate where I end up? मैं गुब्बारा हूँ या मैं तूफान हूँ? Who is in the driver's seat? कोई बताए मैं कहाँ हूँ? Please somebody tell me, where am I headed? Where am I going? We'll meet again tomorrow, okay? Bye now.